And here we go, our first crew of the day is coming in on approach. So we got a couple people in the bow, and we got Junior sitting on the gunnel with the line. Kind of a risky spot to be, but he's hanging onto the tower at least as well. Wifey steps up to the gunnel also, and let's see how they fare as Cap makes his approach. So thankfully they're hanging on. Cap has to brake check it out, try and get the stern around, and there we go. He's off with the line and on the dock. Even the quick engine push off at the end. But Wifey didn't vacate the vessel, and now we're drifting away. So our guy's gonna go ahead and try and pull this one back. And there we go, Cap's got it in reverse as well, trying to bring it back around. And Wifey's off also, but welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina. So we got 2 lines off, another person off to help, and that should be it. This crew should be good to roll. I apologize about the voice, guys. It's gonna be a little scratchy today as I'm kind of got the flu, but that's not gonna stop us from getting down here to the boat ramp and getting this action you guys love. And here comes our next Cap in on his first attempt to try and get this one on the dock, and kind of pauses right here next to the dock. Brake checks it and is reversing out as he's kind of missed. He came in at what I thought was going to be an okay angle, but then it just turned on him at the end, and he wasn't able to get the bow around, so he's going to have to try and line this one back up, but he's kind of backing up, coming from a funky angle again. You're better off to try and come in from a straight shot. So attempt number 2 looks about the same because he came in too shallow. He stayed close to the dock backing out. He really needs to back out, come wide, and be able to kind of get a straight shot in on the dock on this one. And he's going to back out on attempt number 2 and have to try and line this one up one more time. So attempt 3, this time he's at least got a line on the dock, but he's losing it here at the last second. And he's trying to brake check it again, and again he's gonna miss. And come back out shallow one more time, and coming in a little hot, needs to watch out for the boats behind him. And he's gonna brake check it on the forward, and 3's a miss, but he's gotta try and line this one up right. He's not done that so far. So we're gonna take a different approach this time, as it looks like he's gonna come around and do the full, nope. The approach I thought he was taking was the better option. I thought he was going to do the full U-turn, give him the opportunity to try and come in straight on the dock. But he's going to bring it back around, and let's see how that one fares for him. So here we go with attempt number 4. I don't know why he didn't just bow in and just keep going over to that other dock, and again, he's gonna miss on attempt 4 and have to back this one out. How many times should this take, guys? Let me know in the comments below. He's just gotta get close. Hopefully somebody will just give our guy a hand and grab a line for him. And at least then he can find his own way to get onto this dock. But right now, they are struggling. He's turning around again. So attempt 5 as they make their approach. And he's gotten close. Is he gonna miss one more time? He is. 5's gonna be a no-go as well. Unbelievable. 5 attempts at the dock so far, and none of them have landed. So he's trying to turn it back around again. It's gonna take at least a 6th attempt to try and get this one on. So attempt 6, got a good line, coming in on a straight approach finally, which is what we've been looking for this whole time. Hopefully the camera will come into focus here in a second. And we got a young lady on the dock who looks like she's gonna walk over to try and help him out. They just gotta get the line off. They got it to her. Now Captain needs to get out of gear. No, she has to let it go because he's backing off and keeps it in reverse. So this attempt is a no-go as well, even with the assist. One more try. And this lady's nice. She actually walked over from the dock to the left. She wasn't even on this dock. but saw our captain struggling and walked over to try and give him the... she's going to have to let go again. Hopefully Cap doesn't drag her in. And there we go. He's going to come alongside, and she's going to have to walk him up. For a minute there, though, I thought we were going to have a little tug-of-war battle here on the dock. But, man, that was some serious attempts to try and get on the dock down here at Black Point. The wind's blowing a little bit, and we get a little current down here as well, so it can be a struggle sometimes. But the trick is to let that wind and current push you into the dock, and they were just battling it the whole time. They weren't having any luck with it. And fortunately, we get a good Samaritan boater who decides she's going to come over here and give them a hand and get them onto the dock, and I bet they are thankful for that. Now, after our last crew using so many attempts, let's see how our next crew does as they come in on approach. So we got fenders out, it looks like. And I think we got one person on the ready with lines. It's kind of hard to tell from this angle if that person's on the dock, but it doesn't matter anyway. They're going to wind up missing. So the misses continue today down here at Black Point. His Cap came around and they missed. So is he going to turn it around or is he going to aim for another dock? Oh, he's got to be careful on this turnaround. He might hit the dock behind him. And they are just going to miss that as he comes in to try and pull the U-turn to try and line this one back up on the dock. So now we got two people getting ready with lines, though, so at least we're on the ready, maybe, as he's struggling to make this boat turn around and do what he wants it to do. So even there, with a twin-engine boat, he should have been able to get that one on. With the twin engine, you've got some control just by finagling the throttles to try and get this thing to spin. And the toughest thing you want to do is start turning that wheel, especially with a twin throttle boat. Much better off just handling it with the throttle. So here we go, coming back around. And he's going to have to back out on attempt number 2 as well because it just isn't lined up correctly. So here we go, attempt number 3, coming in a little hot actually. So our guy in the bow, does he go for it? Cap reverse brake checks it. Now he's going to run out of the bow, it looks like. Or did Cap leave the helm? I can't even tell what's going on now. It looks like Cap possibly left the helm to take matters into his own hands, and he winds up grabbing it by the bimini top to bring it over. And up to this point, nobody's even left the boat except for the captain. Unbelievable. Well, thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.